Welcome back to Learning with a Difference, news headlines in English for 3rd of February. And first of all, national news. Will announce at appropriate time India on PM Modi's visit to US. No decision to implement Uniform Civil Code yet, Minister in Rajya Sabha. Supreme Court to celebrate its anniversary for first time on February 4. Supreme Court made 7 recommendations to fill all vacancies, Law Minister. After Joshimath sinking, Green Tribunal panel directed study for Mussoorie. Old tax regime and new tax regime explained in 3 scenarios. Rupees 22 crores spent on PM's trips abroad since 2019, center in Rajya Sabha. BJP to hold mega budget reach out on February 4 and 5, a report said. Express trains engine got detached, runs without coaches in Bihar. People involved in child marriages will be arrested, Assam Chief Minister. Finance Minister to brief BJP MPs on budget 2023 on February 3. BJP to contest all 60 seats in Meghalaya election. BJP to contest 20 seats in Nagaland election. And US-India Business Council meet discuss steps to strengthen defense ties. Over 350 mobile phones recovered in 2.5 months from Delhi jails. And now some international news. China to build ground stations in Antarctica to enhance ocean monitoring. World's biggest welcome, Hong Kong offered 5 lakh free flights after COVID isolation. My eyes burn, Thailand said, stay indoors as air pollution spiked. We stand by Ukraine as firmly as ever. European Union chief in Kyiv. US reopens Solomon Island embassy, vying with China for influence. Austria expelled 4 Russian diplomats for breaching international agreements. US and South Korea's joint military drills infuriate North Korea. Unacceptable. US senators on China's aggression against India, Taiwan. Boeing got $1.6 billion contract for US ballistic missile upkeep. New US visa curbs against Taliban for education, jobs, bans on women. 2 drones for just $1. US firms offer for Ukraine amid war. Nikki Haley likely to announce 2024 US presidential run on February 15. And now some sports news. Stephanie Taylor returned as West Indies announced squad for Women's T20 World Cup. Future is here. Virat Kohli impressed as Shubman Gill broke his record. Davis Cup. India to face Holger Rune led Denmark in group playoff tie. Johnny Bairstow's recovery from Frake injury on right track indicated Ashes return. Now news related to business. Monthly GST revenue of rupees 1.50 lakh crore to be new normal, indirect taxes bold. Indian indices close on mixed note, Nifty down by 6 points. FedEx Corp to lay off 10% of management ranks, a report said. HDFC saw 13% hike in Q3 profit but missed profit view. New tax regime sweetened to benefit maximum people, tax body chairman. US-India Business Council meet discussed steps to strengthen defense ties. Samsung to manufacture Galaxy S23 smartphones in India. India will become world's 3rd largest economy by 2027 to 28, ex-Niti Aayog chairman Arvind Pangadia. And news from Science and Technology. New research revealed dangerous consequences of stopping opioid treatment for chronic pain. Researchers have uncovered new functions of the ancient brain. A 1 in 10 billion binary star system, first kilonova progenitor system identified. And that's all in news. Thank you.